Hello everyone. Now today we will discuss all the different methods to take the online exams, the assessment tools. Now there are many different methods through which you can take the exams, or you can assess how much they have understood. If they haven't understood, again we can explain them. So there are many assessment tools. Now we will go through one by one. You can um, take the exams, monthly exam, periodic exams, where you cannot if we don't give the direct questions, then they cannot see from the book and read out the questions or do the Google search and give the answers. All the conceptual questions we will ask using Google Forms, multiple choice, one word answer, in which automatic assessment can be done. So it will be very easy to check thousands of copies. Automatically the assessment can be done through multiple choice, one word, where we have to give the answer and computer will check the copies. Then different quizzes are there, assignments are there, projects you can give, viva you can take in mobile for creating the question papers for multiple choice and for one word answers. For subjective also, we have to give in Google Chrome, we have to give https www.google.com, then slash forms. So there Google form you can create, you can connect it with Google Classroom. Like these days we all are using G Suite, so we will connect it with Google Classroom. There we can set the date and time, and in that time only, like question papers you can create any time, you can save it, and whenever you want to give to the students, that time you can share with the students. So here you can see how you have to encourage all the learners. So learners may be motivated to solve crossword puzzles, participate in online quizzes by using Kahoot, construct models or devices related to the concept learning, discuss some questions posed by the mentor. So any question, anytime you can ask some questions, to write slogan, create games. There are so many methods for doing the analysis or the assessment, just to check whether they are understanding those concepts or not. So here, if they are not having a smartphone, then you can record your sound, you can send the sound through SMS, you can send it. So, and they can give the answers also through SMS. If they are having a small phone, then they can give the answers through SMS, or they can also record their answers and they can share with you the recording when they are reading the book, reading the chapter, or explaining the notes. So they can just read out, like you are sharing your audio explanations of the chapters. Same way the students also can give the exams through audio form if they are not having the smartphone. Now here assessment is very important, because with that only you can understand that they have understood or not. Now there are many different digital platforms, many public platforms, oral assessment, creative projects, then different methods are there. Any one you can go through. Now to stop them from doing any negative, like normally online exam, they will try to copy from the book. So what you have to do, you can give an open book examination in which you allow them to open the book, so that they don't do any negative. They want to search from Google search, they want to search, or they want to open the book and give the exam. So there what you can do, you can simply ask them to open the book or Google search, because you will ask logical questions which in Google search they should not get the answer. So they have to understand the topic and then only they can give the answer. So we'll start with one by one. Live test, one video I have already made, how to take the live test, how to check the copy, so that I will share in the description. Now Google form also, most of you have seen how to give in Google form, how to create a Google form, that you all know. Once again I will show, because some teachers were asking for it. So you can open a Google Drive, suppose any Google account. In mobile phone also you can open Chrome, and then in that you can simply give their google.com/forms. Automatically this forms will open. So here you can see in Drive Google Forms are there. Now you can open the Google form and you can simply make a question paper here, multiple choice question paper. Like I want to take a periodic test, so I will give here periodic test. In this I will give here attempt all the questions. And then first at the beginning you have to take the name and class, school name. So short answers I will select. I will ask them to give their name, enter your name. And here you have to select required. Clear? Now I will copy it and I will simply ask here enter your class. So simply copy paste you have to do. Enter your class and section. Suppose you are having many students, so enter your class and section, and then same, it is already selected. If you select here copy, then automatically this options whichever is there will be the same. Now next one is here enter your school name. So here enter your school name. Now this we have already done. So at the beginning we will take all the datas and then a section here you can see add section. In mobile it is given below add section. So we will select here add section, the section 2. Now the topics, suppose you are want to give on CSV files any topic, whatever sections you are asking here. Suppose about computers you are asking how many different types of computers are there, or suppose CSV files you are asking read mode, for read mode what you have to write. So here suppose I am giving the topic as CSV files. Now, one thing you can do, all the important board questions you can simply put at one place. All the important questions, board questions or the sample paper questions, you can take pre-board questions, sample paper questions. Now, from here if you copy paste it, then your work becomes very easy. So here I will show you that I will simply copy paste all the things. And here what is the output of this? Any question I can take here from here. And suppose I am taking a question and I am simply pasting it. Description will be attempt all questions, or you can describe here about your topic, that is comma separated value about that, attempt all questions. Now we will select the first question. You can see here the first question is coming here. Now just now I have copied from there, so you can paste it here. Just now I have copied the question, you have pasted it here. Now which function, which of the following function is built in Python? So all the answers you already know. Now print I am giving here. Then the other option can be start, stop, all the above. So like this you can create the question paper. Now you can see here it is already multiple choice. Now we will come up here and in setting, if you want to, if you give quizzes, like in mobile also you can see in setting quizzes is there and you can make it a quiz. So what happens then, if it is a quiz, automatically you will give the answer and automatically it will check the copy. So here you can see the settings here, like I want to shuffle the questions and I want to make them only once, show link to submit another response, I will remove it. I want to make them only once, they will submit it. So these things you can, if you want to use with outsiders also, you will select, deselect here. Limit to one response, yes. So save, I have given save here. Now this question paper, automatically you will see here it is asking for the answer key. Now this will not be displayed to the student. I know the answer, and the marks also if you give here, then automatically you can see here at the top total marks it is showing. So suppose you have to make 40 marks paper, so like this one word answer, multiple choice, this one I have made as multiple choice. Same way if it is short answer, one word answer. Now in one word answer what you have to do, it should be it is case sensitive also. So you have to write there that in lowercase they have to write or in uppercase they have to write. Suppose the next question I want to give, suppose here I am just simply copying it, and here I want to change it to short answer. Now in short answer, which of the following function or which function is used, which built-in is used to take input, used to take input in Python. Yes, now this question we have given here, that which function is used to take input in Python. I will mention here that it should be, answer should be in lowercase. Otherwise, you have to give all the details. Clear? So like this, the whole paper you will simply, you will design it, and then here the first one you have seen, automatically it will check when you will share it. After saving it here, responses means when you will send it, share it with your students, you can see here the responses. Like one paper is already there, I will show you here. When this paper, you can see all the questions are there, and suppose monthly test paper it is a 40 marks paper. Now these 40 marks paper, so any short answer questions, one word question, all these things you have given here in the question paper. Now you have shared with your students. In Google Classroom also you can open and share it. Like in Classroom, when you come here, you can see in Classroom, when you will open the Classroom, I will show it here. I am opening here the Classroom, Google Classroom, and you can open your class. In your class, you can give this classwork. In create, you can give here in assignment, you can attach here your assignment. Like July monthly test I am giving here. So July monthly test exam instructions you will give, and you can attach here your file which is in your Google Drive. Now here you can see, just now I have created all the files. So here these files, like question paper, I will attach it. So it is attached here. I haven't assigned till now. On the date of the exam, I will assign it. So here the date, time, everything you can set here. Like it is of 40 marks. So automatically you can see here it is of 40 marks, and due date, suppose on any particular date I want to take the exam, so that date I will mention, on this date I want to take, and timing also you can set it. So on that date only it will be visible to them, and they can give their exam, as well as the time also you can set here. Topic, rubrics, clear. Now if they have copied from internet, this will check it automatically. Now when I will click here the assign button, it will be assigned, and automatically you will see on that date, on that timing, this paper will be visible. The students already have their monthly test timetable, so they will give the exam. While giving the exam, their paper will be like this, visible to them. They will give the exam, and automatically they can see the marks after that time. Suppose I have given 10 minutes time, so after that time automatically the paper will stop, it will not be displayed anymore, and you can see they will get their individual marks, and you will get the student name, all the names with all the marks here, as well as the analysis of each question, whatever they have given. Even the date and time is also mentioned here. So it is very easy. Only you have to simply, you have to select all the important questions, board questions, and you have to design the question paper, and in Google form you can simply put those questions as one word answer. If it is one word answer and multiple choice, then it is very easy. Otherwise, if it is in paragraph, sentence, I have seen that if the full stop is not properly put, then it is showing wrong answers. So better to give one word answers, or you can give here multiple choice questions. So we have this multiple choice, we have checked already many times. The students are giving their exams in this multiple choice, and we are successful in this. The time set also you can see here in Google Classroom, the date and time you can set here. So here if you set the date and the time, then automatically in that time it will stop and it will show the marks. Now assign, when I will click here assign, just now I have just saved it, I haven't assigned, it will be assigned to the students. So I think this is one method. Second method was in Meet live test. The paper you were displaying here, the question paper for 5 minutes, and in Meet their cameras were on. So they were just going through the question paper. That point only they were writing and sharing their PDF. So that is already made in one video I have explained, as well as the oral questions, viva questions you can ask on that topic. You can ask questions and give them marks then and there only. Mainly what happens that if you ask direct questions about the topics about which they can see from their book and read out, so better not to ask those questions. Logical questions we should ask. We should take a PTM, parent teachers meeting, and we should inform their parents that kindly cooperate, don't help your children, we are just helping them to learn. If you teach them cheating, this we have to inform all the parents that please don't teach them to cheat, don't help them. If we understand that this student hasn't understood this topic, we can just revise that topic, repeat it once again. But if the parents give the answers, parents write in their copies, then the student will never learn. So here the parents are the main role model. You have to teach them first that kindly cooperate with the school, with the teachers during this lockdown, and just help their children to develop the skills. There are so many different skills are there at home also. When they will do any work, they will learn it. Yes, accidentally at the beginning they will make mistakes, but don't scold them, they are in learning stage. When we were young, we have also made so many mistakes. Clear? So these are all the different methods. Now go through all the different assessment tools, and when we will discuss among ourselves, we will learn many more methods. So this we have started learning online assessments, online tests we will take. At the beginning we all will face some problems, but at the end we will learn it. In mobile में भी अगर गूगल क्रोम को इंस्टॉल कर ले, उसके बाद उसमें फॉर्म क्रिएट करें. नॉर्मली सम अदर टीचर्स, some other class teachers are facing some problems. So there we have to install क्रोम को आप इंस्टॉल कर लीजिए. इंस्टॉल करने के बाद आप गूगल फॉर्म्स को क्रिएट करके, बहुत इजी है, मोबाइल में बहुत फास्ट क्रिएट होता है, कॉपी पेस्ट भी हो रहा है. और उसमें जब क्वेश्चंस को हम टाइप करते हैं, जैसे यहाँ क्वेश्चंस कॉपी हो जाते हैं, इसमें क्वेश्चंस पुराने पेपर से भी हम कॉपी कर सकते हैं, यहाँ पे भी हम कॉपी कर सकते हैं. सिंपली ये जो कॉपी का ऑप्शन है, डुप्लीकेट लिखा हुआ है, कॉपी के ऑप्शन को हम क्लिक करेंगे तो ये कॉपी हो जाएगा. बस इसमें चेंजेस करके हमको न्यू क्वेश्चन बनाना है. प्लस यहाँ पे भी हम ऊपर जाके भी हम इसको कॉपी कर सकते हैं. यहाँ भी कॉपी का ऑप्शन आता है. एक पेपर बन गया है, मेक अ कॉपी करके उसको सेकेंड पेपर बना के उसमें चेंजेस कर लेंगे तो एक न्यू क्वेश्चन पेपर रेडी हो जाएगा. तो बहुत जल्दी हम इसमें क्वेश्चन पेपर बना सकते हैं. शुरू के फर्स्ट पेपर में थोड़ा सा टाइम लगता है, सेकंड पेपर से बहुत इजी हो जाता है. और उसके साथ सबसे बेस्ट है कि इसमें बच्चे को तुरंत एनालिसिस मिल जाता है कि क्या आंसर होना चाहिए था और मैंने क्या लिखा है, पूरा एनालिसिस मिल जाता है. प्लस तुरंत मार्क्स उन लोगों को तुरंत एग्ज़ाम, जस्ट अगर 10 मिनट का एग्ज़ाम है तो 10 मिनट के बाद उनको मार्क्स पता चल जाता है. So I think this is a beginning first stage. So we are also learning, teachers are also learning, students, parents, everyone is learning. So we all will help each other and we will learn a lot. So thank you. I think it will be helpful little bit. I have also learned from your videos. So I wanted to share my experiences also. So thank you. Have a